you only need to download this app and borrow any amount of money you need, and then later you will come and pay successfully. I can show you how to get loan easily and freely without collateral. Yeah, what I mean is you can easily borrow money without providing a property. It's simple and quick. That's what I'm going to show to you today. What is this long waiting app that you want to know? This app we are talking about here is, and you pay either in 1 month time, 2 months, or 90 days time, and you have the option to choose how much do you need. And the more you borrow and pay on time, the more they increase the amount of money you can take. You might need this for a business, you might need this to do some kind of organ, payment or something like that. You might need to purchase something. This is the right channel. You need to also subscribe to my channel, like the video, so that any update regarding loan, how to get money, I will guide you on that. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight to the point. You just click on sign in, and you need to provide your personal details: first name, last name. Yes, you provide your name and then where you coming from and your date of birth. Specifically, you provide your address, and that is simple. Yes, after setting up a profile, you successfully create a link with that business party. Yes, remember, companies that give us loan is for business purposes. Once you pay back, they also get their interest rate, and that is going to keep them going, and that is going to also keep you going. Now let's look into that. Yes, once you set up or you sign in, the next you can do is to either request for a loan. Yes, and in the process of requesting for the loan, you need to provide some key details. So don't forward the video, you need to get this correct, so that finally, if I mention that to you, you can be able to follow these procedures. Very critical and very correct. Once you miss a step, you are likely to miss this loan. Yes, so it's very important and critical when providing your details, especially identity verification. Yes, and now we have Ghana cards in your country. I don't know what you have, but you can also use your identification card to verify. Now this is how it goes. Once you successfully download the app, you sign in and you become a member. That's fine. So if you want to request for a loan, you just need to now go and provide these details. So you start by providing your name as in your profile, and then it will reflect in the account. Then you'll be asked of your address, where you coming from, your locality. You'll be asked of your date of birth, and you'll be asked to enter your card number. That's your identity card number, if it be Ghana card or whatever it is, whatever you're using to. And that includes your voter's ID, your national identification card, or your driver's license or passport. That is what you're going to use to verify your identity. Yes, this is for security reasons, because they can't just allow you come in and pick the money, because you might run away and they cannot trace you. Yes, and you have to provide this detail because it's an agreement between you and the company. So now, once you're successfully, you provide your card details, and then you have to also select how much you need. Do you need 200 Ghana cedis, 500 Ghana cedis, 1,000 Ghana cedis, 2,000, 20,000, whatever you need? So you have to now come to the selection button, and then once you are a first type customer, there is this threshold that they have to give you to this amount, and then you can start up. Once you borrow and you pay back, it means that you are a consistent customer. They can increase the amount of money you can borrow to any amount that you desire, and that will also depend if you borrow the time period you pay. If I borrow and I pay within less than 1 week, my chances of getting a higher amount to borrow next time is there. Yes, so once you are able to select the amount of money you need, you go next up to provide in the identity verification. You just need to upload your card, your national identification card, be it Ghana card, driver's license, passport, voter's ID, or whatever you are using. So once you do this, and then in most cases they require you to do a KYC verification, which means that you have to take a selfie of yourself, especially a passport size selfie, and then you'll be directed to either bring your camera front to and fro sideways to be able to capture your face well. Once this is done and then you are verified, your details are correct, you get the opportunity to have this loan. Yes, and mind you, most of you would come to provide wrong details. Let's say identity card, and you provide a wrong identity card in the name of you want to cheat the system. In that case, they will not verify you. Remember, you have to do self-verification and then in that regard they will get you as a cheater. So I'll advise that once you are going for loan, don't have bad intentions of cheating the system or thinking of not to pay, because you won't get, because if you provide wrong details you won't get paid. And I'm not cursing you, because you might think that if I borrow and I do not pay, as far as online, what is going to happen? Yes, so many ways can happen. Once you have address, your ID, your everything, you can be traced. Yes, and then aside that, most people that borrows money without paying, you can be published online by using your identity card and your verification video. So I'll advise that in going for loan, provide the details correct and ensure that you pay your money back. If nothing at all, try to pay back within the right possible time. Yes, one of the disadvantages, once you borrow and you decide to pay it in 1 month time, and when the 1 month period reaches and you fail to pay, you get an increase in, you'll be taxed again. So if you were paying 20 cedis for 1 month, it means you are likely to pay 40 cedis for 2 months. So the more the days increase, the more your loan increases. Yes, but it's not as much as compared. Guess that a little tax will be added if the payment deadline reaches and you have not paid yet. What is this long waiting app that you want to know? This app we are talking about here is Fido Loan. Fido Loan. You might have heard of that, but you might fail in getting because you provided wrong details. Yes, so in that case, I advise that you provide right details and then you can get your loan. Once you borrow and pay on time, you get the opportunity to borrow next time again. So ladies and gentlemen, kindly hit on the subscribe button if this video has helped you a bit, and then like the video. If you have any question, come to the comment section, ask a question of your choice, and I am going to guide you on that. Yes, see you next time, and happy to see you succeed. Bye.